purpose of this activity was to show kids how different soils reacted under different simulated erosion. So we took them through a few different erosion stations, one of which was a wind erosion station, which were these really big fans, and we had the kids throw the soil in the air and the fans would carry soil particles away. Another erosion station we had was our water erosion, our rain erosion station, and it was really fun and interactive. We had them hold their soil sample under a water balloon and somebody else got to pop a water balloon. And at the end of the activity, we saw, okay, which water compared cover crop water versus the conventional tillage water was dirtier, which side had more wind erosion. So after kind of the chaos of the activity was done, we got to step back and see kind of how much of a mess each soil made, which was really fun for the kids.
Talked about how cover crops can benefit soil health by helping good microbes in the soil. We also talked about how cover crops can help soil take in a lot more water. They increase the water retention. We talked about soil runoff. Personally, it was a really cool thing to witness. I went to school in northeastern Maryland. We didn't have a lot of programs like this, so I thought it was really beneficial and really great to be a part of.